is it! This is what we've all been waiting for, event 3 of the Battle Roombas. For this event, it will be a time challenge. The fastest to knock down all 3 targets will win. Ninja really needs the first place in this event if he wants to win this series of the Battle Roombas. Can he do it? And he is off. Ninja takes off in the wrong direction of the targets. He comes back around. He's going for the target. He taps. It just misses, but here he comes. Oh, that's spectacular. Knocks down one target. Oh, he's going for the other. He doesn't knock it down, but he gets the other one. That last target is on the verge of being knocked down as it shakes. The crowd is chanting Ninja. Ninja has competed very horribly in these past 2 events. He really needs to compete well in this one. Will Ninja come through for his fans? He just circles around this target. Ninja has no idea where this target is. This is not looking good. It all depends on how the others compete. There's only one target left. And Ninja's coming in. He's close. He's close. Will he get there? Will he get it? Will he get it? Will it get knocked down? It does! It does! Ninja finishes with a time of 1 minute and 9 seconds. Will that be enough? Up next is the leader of the ranks, the one to beat, Zach. He overtaken Beetle's lead in the last event. Can he hold it? He really needs a big one here to secure his position in first place in the Battle Roombas. Here he goes. And Zach is off, already in a much better direction than Ninja. And he has the first target down. That is just brilliant. He almost hits the second target down. Just barely misses the second target. Zach is in really good position here to secure his lead and to take first place. He's coming into the second target. Oh, and he knocks it down. That is just superb. 1 target left. He's making good time. Way ahead of Ninja if he can just get this target knocked down right now. Just 1 target away from being claimed Battle Roombas champion. The time is running up fast. Zach is struggling. Oh, he already knocked that bottle down. He is struggling, looking for this last bottle, but he's coming close. Will he knock it down? Oh, he goes the other way! He goes the other way! And there goes 1 minute and 9 seconds. Ninja has officially beat Zach. Where will Zach finish? He finally comes in. Will he knock it down? It just won't go down! It won't go down! I must say this is an awful performance from Zach. In event 3 of the Battle Roombas, will he finally get it down? He does! At 1 minute and 33 seconds, he finally knocks it down! And it all comes down to this. With the awful performance, Zach would love to forget Beetle has the opportunity to be claimed the Battle Roomas champion. Beetle needs to win this event. Event 3, the time challenge of the Battle Roombas. Can Beetle do it? And Beetle is off in a good direction. That's a good start. Oh, that is just perfect. Beetle already knocks down a target. And he goes for the other one. He goes for the next one. He's on target. He's on target. And can he do it? He knocks it down. That is just incredible, Beetle. Beetle has those propellers, and it's just beneficial in this competition and this challenge. And he knocks it! He does it! He does it! 28 seconds! Beetle wins! Beetle is first place! Beetle claims the champion of the Battle Roombas! First place goes to Beetle. Second place goes to Ninja. Third place goes to Zach. This was just an incredible event. I can't believe it. Congratulations, Beetle.